हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू टुडे? आज हम अपना वोकेबलरी का दूसरा सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट वर्ड है एडिक्ट। एडिक्ट मीन्स आदी होना। आर यू ए टी एडिक्टेड? एडिंग। एडिंग मीन्स जोड़ना। ही इज एडिंग मनी एवरी ईयर। एडिशनल। एडिशनल मीन्स अतिरिक्त, एक्स्ट्रा। डू यू हैव सम एडिशनल पेयर ऑफ शूज? एडिक्वेट। एडिक्वेट मीन्स पर्याप्त। आई हैव एडिक्वेट मनी टू लिव। एडहियर। एडहियर मीन्स पालन करना। If you want to live in Bangkok, you will have to adhere with all the rules and regulations of Thailand. Adhesive. Adhesive means चिपकने वाला, जैसे फेविकॉल फेविक्विक वगैरह होता है. I need some adhesive actually. I want to stick this paper on the wall. Adjacent. एंड नेक्स्ट वर्ड है एडजॉइन. ये दोनों एक दूसरे के सिनोनिम्स हैं. इन दोनों का मतलब ये होता है सटा हुआ या समीप का. लाइक माई रेजिडेंस इज एडजेसेंट टू ए टेम्पल. मिस्टर गुप्ता इज लिविंग adjoining to my house only. Adjust. Adjust means समायोजित करना. You will have to adjust in this small room only. Admire. Admire means प्रशंसा करना. Your nice job is really admirable. I always admire hardworking people. Next. Admit. Admit means मान लेना या भर्ती होना. I admit my mistake. My mother got admitted in hospital yesterday. Adopt. Adopt means गोद लेना या अपनाना. I want to adopt as much as quality as possible. She is going to adopt a child very soon. Adore. Adore means पूजा करना, बहुत चाहना. Goddess Lakshmi is adorable of all Hindu families. Adulterate. Adulterate means मिलावटी. I never buy any kind of adulterated sweet. Advance. Advance means आगे बढ़ना, उधार देना या पेशगी देना. Would you like to give me some advance? No, I don't want to pay you any advance. Okay, let's advance our studies because examinations are very near. Advantage means फायदा. What is the advantage of learning English? There are many advantages. Adventure. Adventure means साहसिक कार्य. Mountaineering is really an adventurous task. Adverse. Adverse means विपरीत. Last year it was really a very adverse situation when corona was on peak. Advertise. Advertise means विज्ञापन करना. Many companies are advertising in newspaper nowadays. Even online they are posting a number of advertisements in different social media site. Advice. Advice means सलाह देना. I would like to advise you that you should learn English as fast as possible. Advocate means वकील. I need one good advocate to fight my case. Affect. Affect means प्रभावित करना. Corona has affected our life in last 2 years very badly. Affiliate. Affiliate means मिलाना. I want to affiliate some good people with my company. Affinity. Affinity means लगाव. I have great affinity with my eldest brother. Affirm. Affirm means दृढ़ता से कहना या दावे से कहना. I affirmly can say that I will finish my task within 1 week's time. Affirmative means सकारात्मक. I want to meet one of my customer and I want his affirmative answer. Affluence means समृद्धि. One of my friend is very affluent. He has a big house. Afford. Afford means खर्च वहन करना. I cannot afford such a luxurious hotel. Aforementioned and aforesaid ये दोनों एक दूसरे के सिनोनिम्स हैं. Aforementioned, aforesaid दोनों का मतलब है पहले से कहा हुआ या पहले से लिखा हुआ. Please read all the aforementioned terms and conditions in your papers. I have already aforesaid you all the things. Afraid means डरना. I was really afraid yesterday because I was all alone whole night. Afterward, इसके बाद. You told me one story yesterday. What happened afterward? Against means खिलाफ. I don't want to listen even a single word against my father. Age means आयु. What's your age? Agency means संस्था या किसी भी कंपनी के ऑफिस को हम बोल सकते हैं. आई हैव मैनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट एजेंसी नियर बाई माई ऑफिस. एजेंडा मीन्स कार्यसूची. I prepare one agenda early in the morning and whole day I work as per my agenda only. Aggregate. Aggregate means average. What was your aggregate percentage in BSc? Agitate. Agitate means uttejit karna. Who agitated the mob? Because of the politicians' statements, a lot of agitation is spreading nowadays. Agree means सहमत होना. I am 100% agree with you. Are you agree with me? Do you agree? Yes. Agriculture means खेती. India is an agricultural country. There are many farmers in India. That's why our economy is based on agriculture only. Next. Aim means uddeshya ya nishana. You should have bigger aims in life. You can short this aim. Airfare, Hawaii kiraya. What should be the airfare from Jaipur to Mumbai? I am going to fly tomorrow. Alarm. Alarm means khatre ki ganti. If you don't work hard today, tomorrow it can be an alarming situation in your life. Alcoholic. Alcoholic means sharabi. I have seen many alcoholic people. They roam around the wine shop. Alert. Alert means savdan. We are still alert because corona is yet to go. Alive. Alive means jeevit. There are many terrorists alive in India. I want to kill them all. All around means charor. I want to see only intelligent people around me. All day. Pure din. I can't work all day. No, you will have to work all day. All in one means ek saath. I've got a rental house. It's a big house with a garden, with a kitchen, with a car, with AC. All in one. All inclusive. Sab ek saath. I have bought a car yesterday. It cost me around 7,50,000 rupees. All inclusive. Okay, guys, that's it for the day. Please like, share, subscribe this video. Thank you very much.